Hey ladies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mrs. Emily Paints, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette makeup tutorial. So if you guys are interested in these types of videos, remember to subscribe, leave a comment down below. Also, if you come from TikTok, remember to comment down below because you guys come out in this video. Alright you guys, let's get started. Okay ladies, the first shade we're going to be using is called Comfort Zone, and we're going to be applying this all over our crease. And make sure you blend good. I'm using the brushes by Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. If you guys are interested in getting these, I'll link them down below. Remember to blend in circular motions and also side to side motions to get this as smoky as possible. Next, I'm going in with the shade Homebody, and I'm going to be applying this on my crease as well. But make sure you don't cover up the first shade that we used above. So you might want to stay on the crease and take this color downwards, but don't go up so that you don't cover up the other color. I know it can take a long time to blend sometimes, but it'll be worth it at the end. Just trust the process. Okay ladies, so I filmed this video while I was on TikTok live. So for everybody that was on there, here you guys are looking at yourself on camera. Shout out to all of you. Shout out to Mello, to freaking Elvia, to who else? Layla, to everybody that was on here. Shout out to you guys, and you made it to my video. If you guys want to watch the process of how I film my tutorials, head on over to my TikTok profile so that you guys can check out my live streams. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, and you guys can go ahead and watch the process behind the scenes. Okay, next I'm going to be using the shade G Money, and I'm also going to be placing this on my crease, but I'm going to lean more towards the bottom of my lid because I don't want to go above the other shades that we just applied. Okay guys, now I'm going to be cutting my crease, and like I've mentioned in my other videos, I like to use the Beauty Creation Flawless Stay Foundation as a concealer. So I don't know if this is going to work for you guys too, but I like that it gives you a smooth canvas. So if you guys are interested in getting this, I'm also going to link it down below. Next, I'm using the shade Get Ready With Me, and I'm going to be applying this with a flat brush all over that area. Okay ladies, don't go anywhere because I'm going to show you something that other makeup artists don't show you when it comes to cut creases. I'm going to go back in with the shade Comfort Zone, and I'm going to be applying this on that outer area just to blend out that foundation that I applied for my cut crease. Taking the same brush and I'm going back in with the shade Homebody, and I'm going to be blending this in on that exact same spot, and this is just going to make the look come together because we don't want that harsh line that the concealer or foundation leaves after we apply it. And lastly, I'm going in with the G Money, and I'm going to be doing the exact same thing, and as you guys can see, the look is coming together. Okay ladies, so I'm going to apply the glitter off camera because it got really messy, but I got these glitters from iMay, and I'm going to write it up here, and you can get it at AliExpress if you guys are interested. Okay, now I'm going in with these lashes. These are from Cavalli Lash, and I will link it down below. These are in the style Moana. For my lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline Driver lipstick, and I'm combining this with a lip liner from Italia Deluxe. Hey ladies, that's the end of this tutorial. If you guys like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're a real one and you watched this all the way through, leave a comment down below and comment orange so that I know you watched it all the way through. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.